Steel meets the wild in terrifying seconds when invasive animals collide with unstoppable trains and trucks. Blink, and everything changes. Deer crossing at 60 miles per hour is a nightmare. This shows why we need heavy-duty brush guards. Stay safe on those back roads, folks. God bless.
Shit! Mitt! Mitt! What's happened?
This is a crit.
I got a good shot already, so feel free to back up anytime.
Amazing rescue. A 1,200 pounds cow trapped in a 10-feet hole. Watching that heavy machinery save her was a true miracle. God bless those farm hands. Watching 500 tons of steel at 70 miles per hour is intense. Rail safety is no joke. That engine is a real beast, truly built for the long haul. God bless. Heartbreaking. Drivers must slow down to 25 miles per hour in residential areas. These poor dogs are family. Always stay alert to save a life today. An 11,000-pound elephant charging that van is pure terror. A true miracle those folks survived. God was definitely watching over them that day. Watching 2,000 pounds of raw power thunder across the plains, Yellowstone is the true heart of America. Keep a safe 5-yard distance from those bison. Watching this poor dog suffer is heartbreaking. Drive slow on residential streets. A life is worth more than saving 2 minutes. God bless this pet. Watching that 80,000-pound rig hold its line is incredible. Safety is everything on the road. Slow-mo shows how tough American steel really is. Watch out! These stray dogs just ran into a car moving at 35 miles per hour. It happens so fast, always stay alert on the road for safety. Watching these 100-ton steel beasts is a wake-up call. We must protect our animals and stay alert near the tracks. Heartbreaking, but necessary. That 6-ton beast flipped that car like a toy. Nature's power is no joke. Always keep a safe distance of 100 feet. Absolutely terrifying footage. Stopping a 1,000-ton train at 60 miles per hour for a cow. Now that's a real hero behind the throttle. Such incredible skill and a heart of gold. God bless. Watching those cows clear the tracks by inches from a speeding train is a miracle. God was watching over those animals. Truly a close call. That 50-foot leap is unbelievable. Mother Nature sure is wild. I've seen buck jumps before, but this bridge dive is a legendary catch on camera.
Get your little... Come on. Get your...
That Vande Bharat is fast. Seeing a train hit 100 miles per hour is intense. Tracks are no place for livestock. Safety first when those big engines roll by. That 500 Lion is pure power. It's shaking that SUV like a toy. Stay safe in your vehicles, folks. Nature is wild and unpredictable. Watching these 1,000-ton steel beasts is a reminder. Stay off the tracks. Safety first when a freight train is rolling at 60 miles per hour. Stay alert.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy Oh my god. Oh my god.
Watching these horses run miles of open land is breathtaking. A true tribute to our Western heritage and the spirit of freedom. Simply majestic. Thanks for watching. Life can change in a split second, so stay alert and respect nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.